Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. Today I'm going to show you how to properly fit yourself to use one of my favorite fitness equipment for seniors is a Nustep. All right, so when we first approach the Nustep, sometimes you'll find that where the chair is already for your tush, okay? But if not, this back handle adjusts the seat to turn, okay? This front handle is what moves the seat closer or farther from the foot pedals, okay? And then you have the handles right here where they got these nice lovely numbers, right? Very easy big handles to adjust, okay? And then you always have an extra place to hold on here when you're turning. This button locks or unlocks the device, okay? And here's our lovely screen. All right, so when we go ahead and sit down, let me show you. You have a great fit with this Nustep. Okay, so I used the back handle to put myself in, right? I've already adjusted my numbers and I'm going to tell you why. Okay, so how do I know that I'm in a good spot? For the legs, we want to make sure that I'm getting a good extension, so a nice straight leg, okay, when I'm in the farthest position, but I don't want my leg locked into place. I have a slight bend, okay, because we don't really want to be popping our legs, our joints, when we're on the Nustep, okay? And the same thing goes when we have our arms. So when I've got it in extension, I have a slight bend in my elbow, but the most important thing is where my shoulder and elbow are placed when I'm in the closer position. Okay, so you'll see that I'm actually getting that bend in the back. This is so essential for our posture, okay, and to take the strain off of the shoulder and to put the control back to where it's supposed to be, which is in our back. So as I'm cruising through, I'm not snapping my joints, but I'm getting this really nice reciprocal movement, this back and forth. Okay, now there's so many different things that you can do when you're on the Nustep, okay? You can go for resistance, and there's this button down here where you can add more resistance, okay? You can be going for distance because it keeps track on the screen. You can be going for time. Okay, so there's multiple uses for this Nustep. Now, if you're somebody who has a lot of arthritis in your shoulders, okay, and you don't quite want to use the arms, you can hold on to the armrest and still work on strengthening your legs, okay? Then you could actually get the opposite. If your knees are giving you a hard time, okay, you could either put your feet here or you can put them on the side and just use the arms. Okay. Now, as an added bonus, with some of my stroke or neurological clients, what I'll even do is I'll put them in the Nustep, right? I'll get them in place And then I'm almost riding like a motorcycle, okay? And I'm able to guide the client through the motions in order for them to get that cardio benefit, but also just to get that full body motion and strength at the same time. Now, if you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.